What's the best Jamaican restaurant in the Los Angeles area? We asked you this question and more. Here are the results of the Best of Jamaica 2022 in Los Angeles.
And we're going to Los Angeles. And so we asked, what is the best local Jamaican patty shop in Los Angeles? And the winner is Island to the Table Patty Hut.
All right.
We asked, where is the best place to buy your Jamaican groceries? And you said, right choice, Caribbean Market. We asked again, what is the best local Jamaican restaurant? And this one is Little Kingston Jamaican Restaurant. You can't get more Jamaican than
Than that, right? So congratulations to all the winners in Los Angeles.